Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. English speaking class 1. English speaking class 1. Listen English conversation. Listen English conversation. Lesson 1. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. Hello. Hi. Conversation between two persons. How are you? I am good. How are you? I am good. Do you speak Urdu? Do you speak Urdu? Yes. Are you Pakistani? Are you Pakistani? Yes. Where are you from? I am from Karachi. I am from Karachi. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Part 2. Repeat the sentences. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. How are you? I am good. How are you? I am good. How are you? Do you speak Urdu? Do you speak Urdu? Yes. Are you Pakistani? Yes. Are you Pakistani? Yes. Where are you from? I am from Karachi. Where are you from? I am from Karachi. Subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and vlogs.